Okay, determine whether there's a maximum or a minimum value. Well, for one thing, remember a positive x squared looks like that, so wherever that vertex is going to be a minimum. A negative x squared graph looks like this, so wherever that vertex is, we're going to have a maximum, okay? So little things like that. Okay, so I'm going to do the negative b over 2a on this. So again, negative b, negative 10, okay, over 2 lots, so that's going to give me 5, isn't it? So there, that's the x value, okay? So the minimum for this one occurs at x equals 5, but what it is, again, is the y value. So I need to put actually the 5 back in. I'm going to find the full vertex on this. So again, 5 squared, what's that? That's 25. Okay, minus what? 10 times 5 is 50, plus 29, negative 25. Oh, that's 4 again. Okay, so that's the vertex. So there is a minimum value, and it will be 4. It occurs at x equals 5. But again, look, you're just finding the vertex. Now, oh, here we go. Look over here, question 11. If I had to find the range of this, right, again, I'm still going to do negative b over 2a. And the reason is, well, let's have a look. Let's do negative b over 2a. What's that? Negative b, negative 24. All over 2 lots of a, which is 3, so that's 6. So that's 24, that's 4. Remember, that's just the x value. Okay, so to find the y value, I need to put the 4 back into here and here. Okay, so 4 squared is, let's have a look, what's that? 16 times 3, that's 48. Okay. Minus 24 times 4, what's that? That's 96. That's negative 4 plus 51. I think that's 3. Okay. Now the reason why I had to fully find the vertex is if I'm looking for the range, remember that's to do with y values. So if it looks like this, okay, and this, remember, is 4, 3, then the range is 3 to infinity, isn't it? Okay, so there we go, 3 to infinity. Okay, that's why I need to find the vertex. Now, of course, if you look at things like, okay, things where increasing and decreasing, okay, then you're going to need the x value because you need to know what that value is there to find out where things are decreasing or things are increasing, okay? So I may as well just have a quick look at this one here. Right, again, where things are increasing and decreasing. So I'm going to do negative b, so negative 12 over 2 lots of a, which is 1, which is 2. So that will give me, what's that, 12, that's 6. Now that's all I need for this, because if x equals 6 there, because that would be the axis of symmetry, and I had this, okay, so here we go. Now, if I know that's 6, notice I don't need the y value, so that's less work. I don't need the y value, because look, this is decreasing from negative infinity to positive 6, so this decreases from negative infinity to positive 6 with a parenthesis, and it increases on this side, you see, from 6 to infinity, and that's why I only needed the x for that one, okay?